Introducing the challenger, Tyron Woodley. Official weight 170 for the challenger. And his opponent, the reigning, defending, undisputed welterweight champion of the world, ruthless Robbie Lawler. Official weight 170 for the champion.
I always look down deep in the soul when I look at my opponent's eyes and he's coming to fight, and it's a good thing because I'm coming to fight. I'm the best welterweight in the world. I train, I'm faster, I'm stronger, I'm a better wrestler, I'm a better grappler. I deserve this.
I feel like I'm the best fighter in the world. I feel like wherever this fight goes, I'm going to be ready and I'm going to be able to get a knockout.
Goes Namajunas versus Karolina Kowalkiewicz. Official weight 114.5. And her opponent, Rose Namajunas. Official weight 116 for Thug Rose.
I see with my hand being raised, whether that be a finish real quick or whether it just be, just be dominating, over the course of the 15 minutes. I feel like that's going to happen. This is, up to 15 minutes of just being free and not have to worry about nothing else but just being right there.